Hello everyone, hope you are doing well, hope you are fine. Today we will talk about how to install Adobe Photoshop CC Creative Cloud. First thing you have to do, you have to download the Adobe Photoshop pre-activated file from internet. I have already downloaded it from internet, Google, Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2019 pre-activated. After this, these are downloaded files you can see on my computer screen, laptop screen. Hit click on setup pre-activated. Pre-activated is mentioned here already, you can see. Double click, hit click on setup. You can see, here we go. Yes, something like this dialog box will open in front of you. Continue installing is start. You can see in front of screen. No need to here we go. What we have to face: sorry, installation failed, upgrade needed. Means our laptop is old model or our window is old model. We have to upgrade our window, so we can't install 2019 Adobe Creative Cloud on this laptop or this machine. So what we have to do, we have to choose any other lower version of Photoshop Creative Cloud. So let me quit this and let me search any other version. This version will not work, so wait, let me search any other version and get back to you. Here we go. The problem with upgrade error, so we got the 2018 version Creative Cloud for Windows 8.1. Let's have a look if it will gonna work or not, or same. Setup, start, yes. If you ever face the issue, you should try the lower version. Like before we install 2019 or 20, now we will install 2018. I hope it will work. Let's have a look if it will work or not. If it still not work, then we have to download 2017 or older, like 16, but hopefully 2018 will work. Let's see, it's gonna install. Please wait, your Creative Cloud products are installed. I tell you, you have to install the pre-active version as always. Something gonna happen. I think it will be installed. Let's see. If you have old version of Windows, then you no need to worry. You can get older version of. Yes, installation successful. We got it. Let's go and check Adobe Photoshop. Yes, Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2018. Here we go. We get success in. It's asking for sign in, but we will not sign in. I think it's not pre-activated version. Let me check. HD, no, fix. Here is fix. Yes, here we have crack, so we will disable the network from here. And RAR, we have to install the RAR, WinRAR. Yes, here we go, WinRAR. Yes, install. Unzip the crack file. Here we go. It's not pre-activated version, so they give us fix folder. You can see fix folder. Let me zoom. Now you can see here is fix folder. If you have not pre-activated version, then you will get crack. Here we go, open. This is the crack. Take it on desktop, close, hit click on. Yes, Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop. Let's find Adobe Photoshop. Here we go, Adobe Photoshop 2017. Click on install this PC. C drive, program files, Adobe Photoshop. Here we go, exchange the file, open. Now let's have a look if Photoshop cracked or not. Here we go, it's done. Now it's already cracked and registered. So these are the procedures. If you I will suggest you download pre-activated version for you, so you no need to do this things, crack or some things. You just download pre-active version. So if you don't download pre-active version, then you have to crack like I crack. So if any query and questions, you can comment anytime. So this is how, if we stuck on Adobe Photoshop, you can see this video. I hope it will help you. Thank you, bye.